Okay, I just want to do a brief introduction for lesson 2.5. You can see the folder here, and there's a couple quick videos about scatter plots and correlation. Hopefully this is a review from Algebra 1, but it's a couple videos for you to watch. And then the main difference here is the assignment is, instead of being like a Schoology quiz, we're actually going to do it on the Quiz site. So you can see the directions here. You just join using this code, join using this link, or this link, and then enter the code for your class, and then make sure you use your actual first and last name because we're going to score you, um, based on seeing that you've completed this. So it's just a little bit of a different type of assignment, and I think I set it open for about like 5-6 days. So you need to complete it within the next 5-6 days. Otherwise, it will close down. That's the only way I could set it up on quizzes. As always, reach out if it doesn't make sense. Just kind of a different assignment to have something a little different for this lesson. All right, hope that helps. Good luck.